Hey, so I know it's been a while, but I'm about to make my lunch and I thought I would show y'all kind of what I'm gonna do today. So the first thing I did, I'm just having ramen for lunch. So here you can see my ramen. There are 2 eggs in the bottom, and then I have my ramen in here. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add one of the garlic cups from Papa John's. I keep these anytime I get pizza. They're great to add to any type of recipe that you're going to be adding butter and garlic to. It gives it that nice little extra thing. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll show y'all the next step. Alright, so I've added it in, and now I'm going to just microwave it for 3 minutes to cook the noodles. You want to make sure when you're cooking ramen and have eggs in it that you leave a good amount of space up at the top. That's why I'm using such a tall container. If I'm not putting eggs in it, I would probably put this just in like a mug. But the eggs, when you put them in the microwave, are gonna expand. And if they don't have a lot of extra room for that water to expand, it'll explode in your microwave. So, all right, so into the microwave for 3 minutes. And I'll be back after that. All right, so my noodles are cooked, and you can see the eggs down there on the bottom. They won't be fully cooked. They'll have nice runny yolks. If you want them to be fully cooked, you need to cook it a little bit longer, about 4 or 5 minutes. I am also going to be adding, this is the remainder of some barbecue pork that I had last night, and then I had some carrots that were going to go bad. So now I'm going to microwave them for probably about 2 minutes just to heat them back up. I didn't add them in with the noodles because of the eggs. Again, the eggs need that space. So again, I'll see y'all as soon as this microwave stops. All right, so now I'm just going to put all of this together. Normally, obviously, I would start with butter, but we already added the butter with that butter and garlic. So I'm just gonna add my flavor packet, which this one's just soy sauce flavored, which is a nice, just generic one to use if you're not adding something that's the same. And I might add this, but I might wait because I might need a bigger bowl. So then I'm just going to add probably about that much mayonnaise. Go ahead and give that a stir so it can start incorporating. A little bit of sriracha. And my sriracha is almost empty. Get me some more. Some Worcestershire sauce. And some hoisin sauce. And then I'll see once I mix all of this in how much space I have. There you can see my eggs. There you can see my eggs. So you get kind of a perfectly poached egg doing this method. All right. I think I can pour this in here. But I need 2 hands for it, so I'll be right back. All right, so I got it all poured in there. Now I'm just gonna kind of mix it around. I'll probably give this time to sit here for a while because the sauce that's on that barbecue pork is gonna take a while to incorporate in the rest of the noodles. And then I might have to reheat it again. We'll just see. I don't think I should have to because those eggs are cooked now, so this should be okay. I don't want to overcook my eggs. But before I will actually, oh yeah, I did already overcook my eggs. You can see that that one's completely cooked. It's not gooey like I wanted. Oh well, it's fine. But yeah, so that's an easy way This is how I eat cheaply, is I just eat ramen and then I add stuff to it. The ramen's very filling. And, you know, with just a couple of little extra ingredients, you can make it your own and you're not eating the same thing every day. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Bye. Also, for the record, this tastes amazing.